Mr. TT Jagannathan, he's Chairman of TTK Prestige, joins us right now on the phone line to take us through the numbers. Steady state numbers, revenues up 7%, margins expanding a bit, net profit up 20%. Mr. Jagannathan, good afternoon. Are you happy with the number or would you have hoped for more?
Is anyone ever happy with the number?
Well, a lot of people are. I'm wondering if you are.
Well, I certainly would have liked more,
Okay.
but I'm not unhappy with the numbers.
Okay. Can you tell us what could have happened to take the revenues higher than where they are? It's a 7% growth as I see.
Yes, because online collapsed because of the new government regulations. Government passed new regulations in the middle of February. So February and March was almost nil online.
Okay. I'm guessing that situation would be continuing, Mr. Jagannathan, or are companies like you trying to
No,
come around that?
It's not companies like me. It's the online companies. They're working their way out of it.
Okay, but for now, the resolution wouldn't have been reached, I'm guessing.
It has partially been reached.
Okay, so have April and May, therefore, sir, looked a bit better on the online sales numbers compared to what Feb and March were?
Yes.
Okay, they have. Despite that online thing collapsing, as you said, your operational numbers have looked reasonably okay, sir. The margins too at 14.5, higher than the last quarter last time.
Yes.
What's gone right?
Yes.
So how has that happened?
How did it happen?
Yeah. I'm guessing if the top line growth and the online system collapsing completely, I would have thought that maybe it would have shown on the margins too, but the margins have expanded.
The raw material prices were very benign. Throughout the year, the margins expanded.
Okay. And do they continue to be benign, sir?
As of now, they continue to be benign. What will happen tomorrow, I don't know.
Okay. Fair call. The belief that a lot of brokerages have that with the Ujjwala rollout and your operating leverage working very beautifully for you, these growth rates and the margin expansion would continue. Fair assessment?
Fair assessment, yes.
Okay. And with the capacity utilization levels for you being so high, have you been able to hike prices further, Mr. Jagannathan?
What has capacity to do with prices?
Well, I would presume that if your capacity utilization levels are higher, you do not want to sell more produce because you are comfortably selling the produce that you anyways have. So maybe you can take some hikes.
My capacity utilization is not high at all. It's in fact, my capacity is infinite.
Okay.
I can add capacity this month, next month after that.
Okay, there's a brokerage note, sir, which says that because of the rollout and LBJ coverage reaching 90%, the strong demand has led to your utilization levels across plants moving up. I was referring to that.
That's correct. It has moved up. But wait, does anyone say I've utilized the capacity fully?
Not fully, but it's reached at fairly high levels, sir. Is that incorrect? The brokerage is incorrect?
Like I said, I can increase capacity at will.
Okay. Let me then ask you, sir, if there is any kind of guidance that you can leave us with for the revenue growth for FY20.
I have stopped giving guidance.
Okay, but would it be better than the 7% for Q4?
I should think so, yes.
You should think so. Fair call. Good having you, Mr. Jagannathan. Thank you so much for taking the time out and being with us.